In this video, I will show you how to add your character in Roblox Studio. So to do this, it's very easy, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com. From here, you're going to see some options at the top of the page once you've logged in, and what you want to do is click on to create. So the next thing you want to do is click on to edit. So if you look for your experience and the one that you want to load your character in, you just want to click on to edit to load up Roblox Studio. And then from here, this is where you can actually come to add your character. So what you want to do is make sure your toolbox is enabled. If it's not enabled, what you want to do is click onto home and then toolbox. And this is going to toggle the toolbox on and off. And you can see that's down here in the bottom left hand corner. So the next thing you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and change this drop down box from models to plugins. So after doing this, what you next want to do is come to the search box and type load character. And then hit enter to get the load character plugin. Of course, there is a free one. There is one you can pay for, but of course there's one and it is completely free to use, which is this one here by Already Pro. So all you need to do is click onto that and click install to install the plugin into Roblox Studio. So once it says installed, what you next want to do is come back to this option at the top and you want to click onto the plugins option. And then from here, just locate the load character plugin, which is this one here. Go ahead and give that a click. And then what you're going to want to do is actually type your username into here. So if I go ahead and type my username, my Roblox username, what you will see is that my character is going to spawn in here. So what you need to do once you type the username, don't check the spawn at origin, just basically click spawn R6 or R15 depending on what you're using. And then you'll see that this appears in our game. So what we can do is come out there and we can of course move this around and rotate it and so on and so forth. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you dropped a like on the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.